Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the world, so open the pause menu and enter photo mode now. It gives direct control over lighting. Once in photo mode, make sure you are in free roam and not tied to a mission camera, because mission constraints block time edits. You should also toggle off any HUD and camera lock. That makes changes visible. Do this immediately. Don't waste time navigating other menus, because photo mode exposes a time of day slider that we will use in the next step. Now take the time of day slider and drag it toward night. Small, deliberate adjustments reveal how light, shadow, and ambient traffic change. You want to watch the horizon and character shading as you move the handle so you can stop at true nighttime, typically when streetlights and neon are active. Once done, preview different camera angles to confirm the mood is right. If you need deeper darkness, nudge the slider further and recheck reflections and exposure until the scene reads as full night. When the frame looks right, apply the photo mode changes or simply exit. Many games commit lighting to the session when you leave photo mode. After that, quick save or return to free roam and verify time persists across actions. If the world snaps back to day, reload the area or re-enter photo mode and repeat the slider adjustment. Sometimes a reset fixes temporary sync issues. If problems continue, close and restart the game. That clears transient state and lets you try the nighttime change again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.